Hey guys, it's Grant here with Collectiv, and today I want to talk to you all about the new formatting pane in Power BI. Let's get started. So the first thing that I'd like to talk about is what happens when you click on the icon to open the formatting options for visualization. Now I'll click on the icon for the old formatting pane and for the new formatting pane. The first thing that I noticed was that in the new pane, all of the visualizations are removed, freeing up real estate for the formatting options. I think that this is a fantastic change as it helps me to focus on the formatting that I'm concerned with. The second thing I noticed is that formatting options have been organized into visual specific options and general options. Next, the formatting options themselves are more compact. You can see on the old formatting pane that the options for zoom sliders and others are not fully visible, whereas the new formatting pane fixes this. Another key change is that formatting features are always visible on the new pane and give a tooltip on how to enable access to those options. Lastly, let's explore how changing the formatting for the x-axis labels looks in each of the formatting panes. So when I click on a formatting option, it's further organized into subcategories. Again, this helps me to focus on the formatting options that I'm concerned with and the ones that I want to find. Also, you can see that in the new formatting pane, the options for changing fonts or font size are much more compact, as well as being more consistent with the look and feel across other Microsoft applications. Also of note, there are no double scroll bars. They were so clunky to use, and having them gone is incredible. So I'll just change the x-axis labels to be bolded and underlined to be consistent with the values for the y-axis. Well, now I decide that I actually want to change both the X and Y axis labels back to default. The new formatting pane gives a global option to revert all settings to default, whereas the old formatting pane, I would have to go into each setting individually. Overall, the changes made to the formatting pane are great. It is more organized, it has a cleaner design, and most importantly, it's easier to use. You can start using the new formatting pane by enabling it in Preview Features settings. Thank you for watching. Follow Go Collectiv on LinkedIn and click that subscribe button for more content and to join the Collectiv community.